How are you guys? Magandang umaga and magandang hapon o magandang gabi sa atin wherever you are right now. So today we're discussing about basic grounding, Cadweld and exothermic. So my name is Antecristo. Don't forget first like and subscribe and click the bell button, and you can follow my social media and Instagram and Facebook as well. So let's proceed, guys. Basic grounding. The objectives upon completion of this presentation, the participants will be able to understand the basic Cadweld. So this is mostly that we are connecting our earthing connection. So those who are the beginners, so now you can understand exactly what is this the purpose of our Cadweld. Basically in the design, preparation, that's mentioned even in the scoop, it's mentioned what kind of earthing that you need to connect earthing grid from primary grid going to the secondary. Okay, so this is all about. This is all the materials of our CAD welding. So as you can see here, all of that brass. Okay, so this is all the materials. So standard CAD weld, as you can see, the photos are here showing for you. So CAD weld, there is a cover. This is the module. So there's a cover, igniter, okay, starting materials, welded material, this top hole, weld cavity. So this is your conductor. So both side, left and right, and then you will connect to put your Cadweld. So as you can see here, so igniter strip, you can put, and then this is your powder, okay, and then Cadweld packets, graphite mold. So this is all about. Cadweld electrical welding materials are exothermic mixtures that react to produce molten metal and ceramic phase byproduct. The reaction temperatures can exceed 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, producing molten metal in excess of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. These products are intended for use with Cadweld accessories only. So nothing else. Para lang to sa ating CAD welding. Alright? What is exothermic process? Exothermic welding, known as exothermic bonding, is a welding process of joining two electrical conductors that employs superheated copper alloy to permanently join the conductors. As you can see the earlier photos that you can connected, right? The process employs an exothermic reaction of a copper thermite composition to heat the copper and requires no external source of heat or current. The chemical reactions that produce the heat is an alumni-thermic reaction between aluminum powder and mixtures copper oxides. Alright guys, that's it. And you can see the formula. And this chemical reaction reaches the temperature of 1400. And the reactants is applied for powder with the reaction trigger using a spark and flame lighter, and then the activation energy for this reaction is very high. However, the initiation requires neither the use of a booster, materials such as powder, magnesium, metal, a very hot flame source. So yun yung ilagay dun sa butas na yon. Yun yung powder na yon. Okay? So sabi niya, it's a very hot flame source. Okay? So that is the exothermic process. So Cadweld metal. So ito yung powder niya. Makikita mo yung powder niya. Yan. Ito yung ilalagay mong powder. So 820 or standard weld metal is used for all grounding connections with the exceptions for those that cast iron or to load bearing rail. The standard weld metal container have clear or natural caps. Standard weld metal also fixed most FX mold. XL weld metal is used with Exolon molds. Exolon weld metal container have white caps. You can see that one. Number 3, XF19 alloy weld metal is used for all connections to cast iron such as type HB and other. XF19 weld metal container have orange caps for ductile iron. Number 4, Cadweld F80 alloy weld metal is used for all connections to load bearing rails such as type W band. F80 weld metal containers have yellow caps. So this is all the Cadweld metal that you are using in different types or different kinds of your welding. Cadweld earthing. Okay. So this is all the example. As you can see, 2-piece GY position on the ground rod, as you can see here, and then locking pliers requires to support mold during connection process. So as you can see, and then this is the form. After that, connection GY connection here. This is your connection. The example. So procedure how to prepare and completion. This is your procedure. So this is your molding, and then this is your powder, and then after lighting this, ignite, then it will become like this. Okay, so it will now weld, that we call Cadwelding, Cadweld, exothermic. Okay, so all of those pictures, photos showing is that's all Cadweld already. So this is T, this is X, cross, all of these connections, as you can see here. Another photos, another pictures. So that's it, guys. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button so that you can notify for any updated videos that I uploaded here in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to follow and subscribe, and follow my social media as well, so you can learn more on the informations about our personal life, businesses, and regarding electrical instrumentation and telecommunications as well. So from my experiences, I will share all of this here in my YouTube channel as well. So hopefully that you gain some information or knowledge, especially those beginners going to the construction works and even in the design engineering as well. So have a nice day and take care. Bye bye.